Hi, I'm Tanja Nixx and this is the Tanja Nixx Show. Today my show will be about my experiences in Germany. This episode is all about the German food. American and German cuisines have distinct characteristics influenced by their cultural, historical, and geographical backgrounds. Here's some key differences. German food is known for its hearty, rich, and filling dishes, often featuring meat, potatoes, and bread. Pork is particularly popular, with dishes like sausages, Bratwurst, Weißwurst, Schnitzel, pork knuckles being staple. Germany has a strong bread culture with a wide variety of breads. Brot and rolls, Brötchen, rye and whole grain breads are common. Potatoes are a staple served in various forms, such as mashed, boiled, and fried. Cabbage, especially sauerkraut, and red cabbage is also frequently used. Germans eat a hearty breakfast that include breads, rolls, cold cuts, cheeses, butter, jam, honey, often a boiled egg, of course, tea or coffee. Then a hearty lunch, traditional, the main meal of the day, consisting of multiple courses. It's usually a hot meal with meat and potatoes and vegetables and a salad. Then, if you can fit it in, you got coffee and cake. Germans love coffee and cake, and dinner, which is called Abendbrot, a lighter meal consisting of bread, cold cuts, cheeses, and pickles. Eine Käsetorte, ein Schaumkuss,